So first thing which we need to do for this is I have to make the rough diagram, a quadrilateral, and name it LIFT. Okay, now I can see the length of LI is given 4 centimeter. I'm mentioning it up. IF is 3 centimeter. TL is 2.5 centimeter. Whatever is given, I'm mentioning it. LF is the diagonal. Length of LF is given 4.5 centimeter. And IT, that is another diagonal, its length is given 4 centimeter. So this is what we need to do. Okay, so the case is very easy. How will we make it? Yes, anyone? So see here, there are,
Can I tell?
yeah, 3 sides are given and 2 diagonals are given. So the case is like this. We are being provided with 2 diagonals and 3 sides. Yes,
Yes,
Malika.
ma'am. So, ma'am, the base will be LI.
Hold on. I will just move. You are saying base will be Li. No, no, no. That is not correct. Yes. Anyone else who want to attempt this type of question? Any ideas? Otherwise, I will explain how to draw when 2 diagonals are being given.
So, ma'am,
Explain.
Dhriti?
Ma'am, can you explain?
Yeah, I will explain. So see, if 2 diagonals are given, so you have to look at one diagonal. You have to construct one diagonal, whatever, like the length of 2 diagonals are given out to be, you can see LF is given out to be 4.5 centimeter and TI is given out to be 4 centimeter. So I can choose any of the diagonal. So let me do it with the example. So you have to do it for exercise. So see here, there is a quadrilateral ABCD and their lengths and everything is given. So we will be starting with any of the diagonal. Let's say I'm starting with AC. Why I'm starting with AC? It's my choice. So I'm starting with the diagonal AC. So you have to make whatever is the length of AC. So I have made the length of AC that is given 5.5 centimeters. So I can make it with the help of compass. Okay, now I have to put the needle of compass at point A. Before that, I have to label it as AC. Then I know AD length is 5.5 centimeters. So what I am doing, I am putting the needle of my compass at point A and just measuring the length as 5.5 centimeter with the help of ruler. So I will be making an arc of 5.5 centimeter from point A. Okay, now I will be putting the needle of compass at point C and I have to measure the compass as 5 centimeter. Then from point C, I have to make an arc of length 5 centimeter. Wherever there these two arc are intersecting, that point I have to join with A as well as with C. So I got a triangle ACD. I can label the measure 5.5, 5.5. So this completes half part of the question. Now the next diagonal. Next diagonal which is given is BD. So D, we have already, the point D is known to us. So the length of DB is 7 centimeter. So what we will be doing? We will be putting the needle of compass at point D and measuring the length as 7 centimeter. And at 7 centimeter, I will be putting a arc below this diagram. Now I have to make another arc. I know the length of DA is 5.5 centimeters. So I will be putting the needle of compass at A and I will be cutting this arc. I will be opening the compass till 0.5 and will cut the previous arc. So that will give me point D. So I can name this point as D, B. Now I will join AB and BC and also join BD. So this completes the quadrilateral. So what is the way? First of all, you have to take the base as diagonal, make that triangle, now make another diagonal and then join it up. So is it understood? Can we move
Yes,
to the
ma'am.
exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Mahika, yeah, Dhriti, what about? So I will put the compass needle at L and will make an arc at a distance of 4 centimeter. So this is my first arc. Now I have to measure the length of IF as 3 centimeter and put the needle of compass at F and put an arc and cut the previous arc, and the length of arc should be 3 centimeter. So I got the point I. Now join LI and IF. So I got one part of the triangle. Done. Now I can see the another diagonal. I'm already having I vertex. Another point is T. That is another diagonal. And its length is given to be 4 centimeter. Okay, so at point I will put the needle of the compass and draw an arc at 4 centimeter. I know LT is 2.5 centimeters, so I will measure 2.5 centimeter from compass and put the needle at L and cut it 2.5 centimeter. So I got the point T. Now I will join LT, TF and IT. So this completes my quadrilateral. So the case here is 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. If 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given, then how to draw it up? So please complete it.
Yes, ma'am, completed.
Okay, what about others?
Ma'am, completed.
Okay, so please, if it is completed, then we can move to the second question of the same exercise. So that is a quadrilateral GOLD. So we will be
Can I
first,
tell?
yeah,
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, in the second part, the base would be OD. OL.
OD,
Sorry, ma'am, OL.
OL, okay.
Yes, ma'am, which measures 7.5 centimeters.
Mm-hmm.
And then, ma'am, we will then we will take the compass and make it and measure it 5 centimeters and make a arc.
Mm-hmm.
And then, ma'am, from the point O, we
Mm-hmm.
will take 10 centimeters of a
Mm-hmm.
arc,
Mm-hmm.
then make so then we will get a line segment which will be joining L. So that would be D and L.
D. Point of intersection is D. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have to join. Yeah, correct.
Then ma'am, we will take the measure of the compass 6 centimeter and
Mm-hmm.
make a arc. And
Mm-hmm.
then from the D point, we
Mm-hmm.
will make a arc of again 6 centimeters only.
Mm-hmm. Correct.
And then we will join it with O.
Hmm. नो
So
नो, आपने एक पॉइंट मिस किया है। वो एल से भी आप फिर लोगे ना, इसी पॉइंट को कट
yes,
करोगे।
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
6 सेंटीमीटर पर ही कट होगा। सो एल से वही वाला पॉइंट आपने एल को ओपन करना है 6 सेंटीमीटर, देन यू विल कट दिस 2 आर्क।
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
या
ma'am.
देन
Then, ma'am, we will take another diagonal also, OD, that would be of 10 centimeters.
ओके ओके
And then our quadrilateral is joined.
ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू जॉइन इट अप।
Yes, ma'am.
So that completes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm just disconnecting and connecting again.
Yes, ma'am.